God's sake, Alf, look at this today. Look at poor D'Arcy. She's even a different colour. And poor wee Malike. You can look at the length of this grass. We've walked way up there. Look, you see it hitting off the trees there. D'Arcy's eating the buttercups. And it. Oh my goodness, we got soaked. What's happened to us today? Can you believe? Just try to go in there, it's all exciting for her. See under there. You can't go in there, hon. Look at wee Malike. Oh son, did you get soaked? Oh, it didn't shake itself. Oh my goodness, that is one wet morning. Now this is a hike and a half in this rain. But do you know what? I like it. I hope you do as well. I like being out in the rain. There's something nice about it. Especially when you're deep in a forest. You might hear the birds singing today. They'll all be out in their nests. Right, so deep breath in. You can see it's very green now. There's all this wet weather. And there we are, Malky's eating the grass. Now this is a bit they like going into. I'll not let them go under here because they might get lost. I'll show you, there's all wee tunnels about here. See it? Right under there. Right, so they're out in the foliage of the day, Alves. And big D'Arcy. Oh, she's choking. Come on, D'Arcy. Let me see you. Let your animal loving friend see you. Look, even her ears are soaked. Oh, she didn't shake herself. Oh. Right. So, I hope you're enjoying this walk. Right, so imagine you're with us all. It's very wet, but you can smell all this. Oh, you can smell all the trees and the greenery. It's lovely. Right, so deep breath in. And feast your eyes on all that lovely shades of green. What is it they say, the 40 shades of green? I think there really must be more than that. 70 shades of green. Right, so we walked all, I'll show you, wait D'Arcy, wait, we walked all down there, miles and miles. See if I can zoom it in a bit for you. See it? Right to the end there, and then it kind of turns round. Oh, my camera's not even working because it's so wet. So we've walked all down there, and we're going to go around this way. Good boys, Malike. Right, get them to wait. You're a good boy. Wait there, D'Arcy. He's a good boy. There you are. Are you saying a good wet morning to your animal loving friends? Nice. Are we, son? Good wee boys. Look at good D'Arcy waiting. And that's good girls too. Oh, there's a bird out now. Just good girls too, aren't you? Right, so I'm just going to walk down here and then round, and that takes us on to a kind of farm track. Oh, I hope you have enjoyed this. Right, so that's our walk for this morning, Alfs. Keep fit and well. We're all sending our love, prayers and best wishes to you. And hopefully next Friday we'll take you on a better, like a more pleasant walk. A drier, sunnier walk. Oh, it doesn't matter, does it? As long as you're out. Oh, I'm going to see something. Right, so we're off down this way. Cheerio!